Did you know that each planet in our solar system has its unique sound? NASA's scientists have found a way to listen to the sounds of the planets in our solar system. Each has a distinct voice that tells us about its nature and history. This video will explore the sounds of the 9 planets in our solar system. We will also discuss what these sounds tell us about these amazing worlds. So please sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through space. Let's start with Mercury. This innermost planet has a predominantly low-frequency sound that sounds like a whooshing, as if the air itself were vibrating. It is believed to be caused by interactions between its core and outer layers, but scientists are still trying to pinpoint the exact source of this noise. Next is Venus, which sounds much different than Mercury but equally mysterious. Its sounds come in higher frequencies and consist of an ethereal mix of humming and static. Scientists think this could be caused by strong magnetic fields or extreme surface temperatures that create a kind of acoustic interference. As we move further into the solar system, we encounter Earth's next-door neighbor, Mars. The sounds of Mars are some of the most fascinating in our solar system. The voice of Jupiter was recorded by NASA Voyager spacecraft. Those beautiful sounds are full of mystery and wisdom. We all know what Saturn looks, but have you ever wondered what Saturn sounds like? This sound was created with Saturn's electromagnetic waves to convert into sound waves. Uranus is famous with its unnatural solid color. Although we don't know a lot of things about Uranus, we can listen to its creepy sound. Neptune is the outermost planet of the gas giants. This is the actual sound of Neptune. It is created with Neptune's actual electromagnetic emissions, converted into sound waves. Pluto is our lonely planet. It is not only a cute planet, but also it has a relaxing voice. This is the actual sound of Pluto. Each planet, a note in the celestial score, collaborates to weave the cosmic tapestry of the universe. Together, they form a symphony of cosmic proportions, a celestial masterpiece that transcends the boundaries of our terrestrial senses. As we bid farewell to this cosmic concert, may the echoes of these planetary melodies linger in the vast expanse of our imaginations, a reminder of the wondrous diversity that exists beyond our earthly shores. This is the Brain Maze signing off.